Hello everybody, I am Ipshita and welcome to another video. Now today I am going to do a Apres Gel X nail dupe. Now the same problem, sitting in India we do not get Apres Gel X nail system. So I thought why not do it with some full cover nail tips which I brought from AliExpress, and these nail tips are made of ABS plastic. Now you can take any type of full cover nail tips to do this Apres dupe method. Now I will be quickly sizing the nail tips according to my nail bed. Now these nails does not come in box, they come in packet and they are from 0 to 9. As you know, the higher in number, the smaller in the sizes of the nail tips. Now I have sized all the nail tips, and as you have seen that I am going from side wall to side wall. See here, from side wall to side wall. Now if the tip does not fit properly, if it is smaller, then the gel with what I am going to stick the nail, it will ooze out from either side and it will look very ugly. Now I will show you the nail tip. See, it is very clear and it will be bending in the cuticle region, and the nail tip is very hard. It is perfect for an Apres dupe. Now I am taking a diamond drill bit. With this I am going to edge the inner portion of the nails this way, so that the adhesion is much stronger. Now I am taking a small dusting brush and dusting the inner portion of the nails. As you know, the nails are very small, so it is better to dust it with small brush. And now I am taking a 100 grit file and filing the cuticle region so that this portion stays flush with the cuticle area of my nails. Sorry for the sound outside, my husband was calling my son. Now after the filing, I am dusting the nails so that the dust goes away, and now I am keeping it aside, and you see my nails are not prepped, so I am going to prep my nails now. I am starting with a cuticle pusher. I am pushing the cuticle area and see the dead skin, you can find the dead skin around. I am going to remove it with a drill bit, I mean a cuticle drill bit. Now I am showing the full process here just because if you want to try it, this will help you. Now I have taken a sanding band of 180 by 180 and will remove the surface shine of my nails. Though I am going around the cuticle region with this drill bit, but again I will be using a cuticle drill bit to remove the dead skin from my cuticle region properly, so that no lifting takes place. I was talking about this cuticle drill bit. It has a round shape on its head, and with this I am going to go tight on the region of the cuticle where it doesn't, the sanding band cannot reach. This does not damage your skin, neither will it cut your cuticles, rather it will go straight to those areas where it is hard to reach, rather very difficult to reach with any other drill bit. It cleans the dead skin thoroughly. Now with the cuticle nipper, I am cutting the dead skin very slowly. This is sped up, so it is looking very rigorous, but I am going very slow with my cuticle nipper, and I am cutting only those skin which is hanging down, right, the hang nails are only, I am cutting those areas. Now with a lint free wipe and isopropyl alcohol, I am cleaning thoroughly the dust from my nail bed. Now I am taking the dehydrator and applying it on my nail beds. This is to remove the leftover oil or moisture completely. This I am taking Feng Shengmi's Ultra Bronze Acid Free Primer. I will be applying 2 coats of this on my nail bed. I am waiting and then again I am applying it. I was waiting to get the first coat dry and now again I am applying the second coat. I am priming the inside portion of the nail tips also so that the adhesion is good. Now I am removing it at a side. I am taking gelish foundation gel or the base gel, whatever you want to say, and applying thin coats of this base gel on my nail and will cure it for 30 seconds. Now my nails are cured. Now I am taking Your Sugar's builder in the bottle. See, so thick, the gel is so thick and it has a beautiful color also. And I am taking a DIY. I have a this lamp, I made it a DIY hanging lamp with a stand that is used in the car for holding mobile. Now I am putting the gel on the inner side and holding it at the 45-degree angle and flash curing it. And I will be doing the same with all my nails. See one thing, not a single bubble is created and now I am curing it for full 60 seconds. Now my nails are cured. Now I will be applying a nail polish from Color Bar and a very cheap top coat over it. Now one thing I want to say, before that I am cleaning the nails again thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol. And what I wanted to say is that using a nail polish, though it is an air dry one, you can always cure it in the LED lamp. Why? Because the heat of the lamp accelerates the drying process. I will show you just now. See, the nails got dried up and it's not smudging also. I am giving a second coat and again I will be curing it for 60 seconds and then I will put the top coat, and after putting the top coat also I will be curing it for 60 seconds. This is I am doing just to make this particular video on Apres Gel-X nail dupe. In the next video, which I will be doing within 2 or 3 days, there I am going to remove the nail polish and I will be doing some nail art. Let me see, with acrylic or with polygel or with dip powder, whatever, I don't know right now, I didn't decide. I will do a nail art on this and will show you how the nails are staying how the nails are staying on my nail bed. So now the nail the nails are cured completely. It's not smudging again. You can use this nail hack after putting the nail polish. Now I am applying some cuticle oil, and let's see. As you know, this is a hack, so maybe the nails will come out, or it may happen that the nails won't stay long on my nail bed, but I am sure that it will stay and will come back within 2 or 3 days with another video. I mean the second part of this video, so hook up for that. Now let's check the reveal shots. So let me know how you liked it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and be safe.